Professional nanny, well, there's a difference because a babysitter is just, someone that comes once a week or something at nights. A nanny, people get it confused. I think a nanny is someone that does a little light cleaning, cooking, does more with the kids, like will take them to soccer practice or ballet or something like that. Is pretty much, it's an ongoing thing. They have set days, set hours, set pay, and isn't 14 years old. So,
Perfect.
yeah. A typical day for a nanny is either you'll go to the kid's house or the kid will come to your house. Parents will drop them off. You have breakfast for them. You make it for them. You play with them for a couple hours. You put them on their nap. When they wake up, you play with them more. You feed them lunch. You just take care of them. You're there as their friend, but also, as you have to take care of them and make sure that they're not getting into something that they shouldn't, which everyone knows, a toddler will get into everything. So just make sure they're not climbing up the stairs when you're not looking or getting into something pointy or small or something like that. The difference between a babysitter and a nanny is, like I said, the set hours and pay and all that, and you do more like cleaning and cooking and that kind of stuff. But a babysitter, again, she will or he will be the one to watch the baby and play with it, which is like a nanny. But I think a nanny is older. They've been through more. They're more experienced, and I would feel safer having my kids with a nanny, preferably, than a babysitter. Just because to me, I think of a babysitter as like 13, 14 years old, someone that's still in school that will abuse your house, as in talk on your phone and invite your friends over when they're not supposed to be there, and just someone that doesn't take the job seriously and that's still young and is learning life. And they're there because they want to be there and because their full priority is to take care of the kid because they love kids.